Material inspection is the first step to control quality in construction or oil and gas project. Wrong material can cause leak, fires, or system failure. Always check before use the materials. Check material grade, size, schedule, pressure class. All must match project requirements. Review the mill test certificate (MTC). Confirm chemical and mechanical properties match the standard like ASTM or ASME. Look for the rust, dent, or wrong schedule thickness. Size must match with drawing. Heat number on the material must match with the MTC. No traceability means reject. If you catch wrong material during inspection, issue NCR. Otherwise, big problem will happen during installation or client inspection. Later it will be costly repair. Checking material early helps your project run on time. Material inspection protects quality from the very beginning. Always follow the procedure.